I'm Carolyn, and I'm excited to work with you. Well, I think I had influences that I didn't really acknowledge to begin with. My grandmother, my father, and believe it or not, Carlton Sheets. They used to have these infomercials that came on TV that talked about how you can be in real estate investing, and it used to come on the television every single Saturday. But my dad also owned a property, was a multifamily, and he was renting it out. My grandmother owned a property, and I think their influences just showed me how important the house is for the family community and just safety in the overall. My main goal in real estate is to be that kind of director for families, to help them find their dream home, to see a place that they can spend their life in, where their family can grow, or where they can host their family, where they feel safe, secure, and just have an overall path to generational wealth. I provide a holistic approach to real estate, which really encompasses the mind, the body, and the soul. So whenever I'm engaging and helping a client, I consider all those factors, and it just makes them feel wonderful and also makes me feel wonderful as well. I help my clients get their desired results through education and process. I provide a step-by-step approach that allows them to get from point A to point B, whether they're selling or buying their home. It's important for clients to stay on the path, or at least I understand what the path is, so that if they veer off of it, I can guide them back, get straight on to get to their goal, either buying or selling.